Hello everyone, welcome to your English class, dear students. Today we are going to do the exercises of lesson number 8, verbs expressing the future. Dear students, as we have already discussed that the tenses have three different types. Those are present, past and future. Today we are going to discuss about future tense. Future tense consists of 4 different tenses: simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. Now we will discuss about the exercises. Exercise A. Malini is planning to go on a holiday soon. Use will and the words in the bracket to ask her about her plans. Her answers are given in the second line. Now here, as you can see in the second line, Uti is the answer and the words to help us form the sentence are where, go. So what will be the sentence? Where will you go? Because we are asking Malini about where she is going. That's why we are using the pronoun you in place of the subject, and we are using will because this sentence belongs to future tense, simple future tense. Where will you go? She replied, Uti. Second question can be, how long will you stay? 6 days is her answer. When will you go? Next Sunday. Will you go alone? No, with my parents. Will you travel by bus? No, by train. Where will you stay? In a hotel. Now we will do exercise B. Complete these sentences using will or shall. No matter what happens, Indrani will always stand by him. Now we will discuss about sentence number 2. Sentence number 2. Shall I get you some tea and biscuits? Will they meet us there? I am sure that all my friends will grow up to be kind and compassionate people. Shall I close the window? We shall definitely win the tournament. Will there be another round of quizzing after this? Shall we go home now? Dear students, you must be thinking that how we have placed shall and how we are placing will. So let me tell you that while doing the explanation of this lesson, I told you that whenever we are talking about simple tenses, simple future tenses, in that condition we use shall with I and we pronouns, and with the other pronouns other than I and we always use will, unless and until the case is definite. Now we are going to discuss about exercise C. In this exercise, we are going to discuss about the use of going to and correct phrases from the box to complete these sentences. Here, as you can see, going to, here what is written? We can use both going to and will to predict future events. However, going to usually suggests that the event will happen soon. Now let me tell you, dear students, that going to is the phrase which is used to tell us that the particular event is going to happen in the near future. It tells us that the event or that the act will happen as soon as possible. Whereas if we use will, it suggests future, it suggests us about the future, but it does not tell us that it will happen soon. Now we will do exercise C. Sentence number 1. Madhav is looking for his glasses. He is going to read the newspaper. Now we will do sentence number 2. Sentence number 2. Our coach is very confident. Our team is going to win the tournament. Sentence number 3. Adil bought some flour and some eggs. He is going to bake a cake. Sentence number 4. Donna wants to learn classical dance. She is going to join a dance academy. Neeraj's alarm didn't ring. He is going to be late for school. Rekha has brought her camera along. She is going to take a lot of pictures. They have put on their jackets and gloves. They are going out. My neighbors left really late for the station. They are going to miss the train. Exercise D. Complete these sentences using will or going to with the verbs in the brackets. I promise I will not tell anyone this secret. The company made him a good offer. I hope he is going to take it. Look at the clouds. It is going to rain in a few minutes. Let us celebrate. We will have a party and invite 20 people. Do not worry about the test. I will help you to revise. The producers think the film will be a hit when it releases. I am really hungry. I am going to make sandwiches. Amit is going to meet some friends after work. Exercise E. As you can see in this exercise, what you have to do, you have to tick correct options to complete these sentences. We are going to ride our bicycles in the park. Do you want to join us? Sentence number 2. It is my birthday next week. Mother is going to bake a cake. Here we will tick right going to instead of tick right will, we will use going to because is has already been given here. When the sky clears, we are going to have a picnic in our garden. You will tick going to. Students, just see that if you will tick will, what will happen? The sentence will become wrong because the sentence will sound very awkward, and as you can see, the verbs, the helping verbs are already given here. We are. If we will use will just after are, the sentence will become wrong. We are will have a picnic. Isn't it sounding wrong? So we will tick going to. We are going to have a picnic in our garden. Sentence number 4. Are you sure our team is going to win the game? The opposing team is very competent. It may rain today. I will take my raincoat when I go out. In this sentence, we will tick right will. The flight going to or will be delayed. The flight will be delayed if the weather is bad. Rajni is going to qualify for the next stage if she works hard. This film is scary. What do you think is going to happen next? Is going to. Now we will talk about exercise F. Rewrite these sentences using the simple present tense or the present continuous tense to express future time. Dear students, as you can see that in this exercise it is being asked that you have to rewrite these sentences which are given here. You have to rewrite them using the simple present tense or the present continuous tense. Hema will go to Rourkela next month. Hema is going to Rourkela next month. The bus will leave at 6 p.m. The bus leaves at 6 p.m. They will come to your house in the morning. They are coming to your house in the morning. My family will leave for Bengaluru on Friday. My family is leaving for Bengaluru on Friday. When will you return from Istanbul? When are you returning from Istanbul? Dear students, I hope you all have understood how to fill your exercises, and I hope this video will help you in completing your work. Pause the video wherever required, and thank you and have a good day.